Hey, it's Danielle here in Seattle, also known as DMAC, and in this video I wanted to share with you real quick my latest results that I've gotten using the FSO Harmonic scanner. What you see right now on the screen is G Frank, and this is the last trade that I actually took, the most recent trade I should say. And I entered this trade on Friday, which was the 10th, and I usually don't like holding trades over the weekend unless it's a nice little swing or something like that. But the reason why I decided to take this trade is because of this nice little tool called Maxwell's equation. And basically what that does is it gives you a prediction of the future price. So I like to draw this little vertical line at the entry point, and then I'll come down here and I'll look to see what the future price is looking like, how it's going to play out. And so since this was a bearish crab pattern, according to that, the price should just drop, drop, drop. So that's a nice little drop from there. Hardly any drawdown. So I thought that was a good enough indication for me to go ahead and take this trade. So like I said, I entered it on Friday. During Sunday when the market opened, I was lucky enough to catch a little gap there. So it gapped down, hit TP1, and as you can see, it continued to play out pretty nicely. So, and then hit TP2. Now in this trade, my target was only TP1, so I kind of sold myself short on that. But let's see. Let me jump over here to, sorry, here we go. So I'll just jump over here real quick to my website, show you some of the results from that. As you can see, made a little over 150 bucks off of that trade. So you can see the before. I don't know if I can make that bigger or not. No, I can't. All right, so the top one is the before where I entered, and then the bottom one here, as you can see, where TP1 was hit, and that's what I made. I had actually opened 2 positions on that trade, so made a little bit over 150. So not bad, but as you can see, the harmonic scanner, it is legit. It works. I like trying to catch the crab patterns because they're said to be 90% accurate. So I'm usually looking for those. And here it looks like there's one the 15-minute for G Frank. So we'll just click on that little X there to open the chart. And let's see if I get my little, this is entry here. So this one I probably would not have taken just because the future price is showing it pretty flat before it actually goes up. So as you can see, well, actually this one already hit TP1. It kind of wicked it right there. And then it's in a little retracement and looks like it's going back up. So probably was not a bad signal. Let's see how many pips that would have been. So that would have been a quick 20 pips right there. And let's see. There's also one on NJ on the 4 hour, a bullish cipher. Now I like to wait until it's maybe 2 or 3 candles into the pattern, after the pattern has been recognized. And the reason why I like to wait a few candles is because sometimes the patterns, they will extend. So that is something that you need to be aware of. They will extend, and sometimes the pattern is no longer valid. So let's just take a look at NJ here on the 4 hour. All right, so this one still doesn't have, the first candle is still open. So I would wait and watch that a little bit. Let me get rid of one of these lines here. Okay. But as you can see, according to the future price prediction, it's eventually going to work its way up. So this may be a decent a decent trade to take. So, and you kind of have to use your own judgment with that. If you want to get in and you don't mind, you know, price been a little bit flat before going up, then that's totally fine. But really what you're looking for is you're looking for, you know, signals where price kind of just shoots straight up. I mean, the line is never going to be perfectly straight, but as long as it is gradually pushing up, I would say it's a pretty good signal for the bullish patterns. So yeah, just wanted to share with you my latest trade with that. Made 150 bucks. So the scanner, it does work. The beauty about this scanner, it does give you the stop loss, the entry point, the TP1 and the TP2. So I know a lot of people know when to enter the trade. Sometimes they don't know, you know, what take profit to target. So this will definitely help you with that. So if you are interested in grabbing this scanner, there will be a link below the video. And before I go, I want to show you, let's see here, let me see if I can jump over here real quick. This was a guy who purchased the scanner, I think it was a while ago. Last week, maybe it was last week, or maybe the week before that, but just want to show you how satisfied he has been with the scanner. He's been using it, you know, I think for about a week, a little bit over a week. And this was Friday. You can see he said it was 14 of 15 patterns hit TP with FSO, which is, you know, the name of the harmonic scanner. He said, "I'm loving it. Thank you so much, Danielle. You are definitely amazing. God bless." So it's always good when you can share with others a tool that's legit and that actually works and people are getting good results from it. So the harmonic scanner is definitely one of those tools. Again, if you are interested in purchasing the harmonic scanner, there will be a link below this video. You can go ahead and grab a copy. Or if you would like to learn more about it, to see it in action or read more about it in depth, then there'll also be a link to my website where you can click on that to learn more about the scanner. All right, hopefully you guys like what you see and you decide to go ahead and grab a copy. And I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will see you in the next video.